Hi guys, it's Delish Desserts. Today we are going to make homemade thin mints. In a large bowl, combine 1 stick or half a cup of butter and 1 cup of sugar. Mix it on medium speed until it is light and fluffy. This is how it should look once you're done mixing. After that, add in 1 egg and 1.5 teaspoons of peppermint extract. This is the one I'm using. Mix all the ingredients together on medium speed until it is smooth. Place a sifter over your bowl and add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour and half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. After that, add in half a teaspoon of salt and then sift it into the bowl. If you have any large pieces of cocoa powder, you could use your fingers to push them out. Mix all the ingredients together until a thick dough forms. Scoop the dough out onto plastic wrap and wrap it up and place it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to chill. Roll the dough out on a floured surface and continue to add flour so it doesn't stick to the rolling pin. To cut out the cookies, you could use a clean Dixie cup like I'm using, or you could use a circle cookie cutter. Place your cookies in the fridge for 15 minutes. Place them on a parchment paper lined pan and bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. While the cookies are cooling, melt 1 cup of chocolate chips. This is how they look after melting them after a 30-second interval. This is how they look after the second 30-second interval. Since the chocolate is a little bit too thick for dipping it into the cookies, we're going to add about a tablespoon of coconut oil. As you can see, it's thinner in consistency and glossier. Now take a cookie, dip it into the chocolate, and tap it onto the fork. Place it on parchment paper to let it dry. This is the finished product. Comment down below how alike they look to regular Thin Mints. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye!